Are you ready to explore colors? Let's get started. In this session of exploring colors, we are going to be drawing a tree which is in full bloom. So at first we are going to be making a tree with pencil, and then we are going to be using either watercolors or color pencils or crayons to make it like really colorful, which is like a tree in full bloom. So at first, for this, we are going to be starting with a pencil, and then we'll use either watercolors or color pencils and crayons to give the tree a look of bloom. So first, let's go ahead and mark where the land or the soil of the tree is. So on the bottom part of the paper, like there's a large gap on the top and only a little on the bottom. So I am going to go ahead and make a line, and from the center I'm going to make a short trunk for the tree. So this is where the tree is. Right there. And remember the V shape we make for the trees? Go ahead and make the V shape. And then darken the tree, the trunk of the tree. As I said, we're going to leave this one There's the trunk of the tree. Let's kind of make thinner lines over here. So this is how our tree looks. And in the bottom, let's go ahead and kind of make way for the land. I'm just shading it a little. Now it's time for colors. So what we are going to do is make the top part of the tree all colorful. So go ahead and take your watercolors or crayons or pencils, whatever you're going to be using. And normally the leaf of the trees are green. I am going to use all the colors except green. So at first I'm going to start with a shade of purple, and I'm going to go ahead and make little dabs on the paper like this, where I want the tree to be. And then go ahead and choose, I'm taking a little bit of a shade of yellow. You can choose whatever color you want. And make more dabs on the paper. And then I'm taking blue. And a little red. And a shade of orange. And the shade of pink. So now we have so many colors already in it. So when you come to this stage, find the white spots or the empty spots and go ahead and make your dabs on those spots. And choose a light color when you fill up the empty spots. My next color is a shade of yellow. It's kind of like mustard. I'm gonna also use a little brown. And maybe a vibrant shade of yellow. There. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make little dots like these on the bottom below the trunk of the tree, kind of representing how some of the leaves of the tree have fallen down. So really sparse, not very much like the top of the tree, like maybe 5 or 6 on each color. Did I miss any color? Maybe red. Now that's a really simple tree. I hope you had fun drawing this. Make your own versions of this tree and please post it in the WhatsApp group. Have fun. Bye-bye.